Yo and Adam, it's Coach Cathcart back again, man. I appreciate y'all sending all these videos. Really good looking swing. Y'all done a lot of good work, and there's just some things that we're gonna try to talk about and clean up just a little bit. But overall, man, y'all done some really good stuff. So in this first swing that we've got here, I want to look at the top half, okay? And we're gonna do it in timing wise. So we're gonna get this back to where that ball is being released right there. So we're moving. Everything looks really good. Now, I know that we had talked previous and it's gotten better, but you guys watch the hips. This is in his load, and now we start coming up. And it's not nearly as drastic as it was, when we first started. You've done some good work. We're holding this really nicely. Okay, I love the angles that we've set right here. Good, good. Make that little triangle right there. It's all good stuff. All right, as we get down into foot strike, that barrel, okay, this is good timing. Elbow is gonna work down nicely into the slot. Good, with the knob starting to come in this way. All right, everything looks really good. Now I'm going to shrink this back down just a little bit so y'all can see this. Okay, now the one thing that I notice is watch this top hand, guys. And this is, I'm telling you, Gio, this is just super detailed here. Everything looks good. Knob kind of going out to the ball, starts to turn. Okay, you kept your hands nicely inside that imaginary wall that I like to think about. And right here, it looks, and I've looked at this thing about 15 times. It looks like this top hand isn't palm up. It looks like it's still, and I don't even know how to describe it because I can't really draw it in. Instead of being palm up, it looks like you're kind of knuckles up to the sky. And so that wrist is kind of curled under, which is going to leave this barrel down. And right here, man, you just missed this. Let me see if I can shrink it back down again. Okay, that ball is right here, and we just foul it back. Okay, good direction with this, the swing. Okay, maybe cut a little bit where we're going from contact and then kind of cut off this way. I'd like to see us continue to swing more out this direction. See how it kind of cuts down right there? That's a slight plane match issue, and you can see it right here, guys. If we look at his shoulders, the shoulder path and the bat don't ever really match up. Okay, so we're just a little bit off plane. And then as we swing through, you can see it trying to get back just a little bit crooked. That one's better right there, but that's way out. Okay, so if we can have this angle that goes and stayed all the way true, that would be true plane match. And we're just never quite there on this swing. Okay, we get a little bit flat. All right, so again, really good looking swing, fellas. I'm going to get these other ones cranked out here for you, but this was just a slight plane match issue right there at contact. And then again, kind of cutting across instead of continuing to work out with our swing direction. But the balance, the width, the load, everything looks really good. Just stay in those legs a little bit more, okay? And that's what we're gonna work on, okay? Just continue to work with the hips staying down. But man, this turn and everything, and it just looks like that top hand's in a weird position, okay? That you didn't quite get palm up or kind of knuckles up, and so that barrel got stuck underneath you. Alrighty, so this is going to be the first analysis, guys. I hope you can pull something from that, working on the plane match, get that top hand more palm up instead of knuckle up, and work on those hips. Thanks, fellas.